Ready?
Yeah, go.
Oh crap.
Sorry. Keep going. Keep going, yeah.
Let's try.
Keep going.
Oh, stop cutting out.
Really well built.
It's strong.
From the 90s.
It's cracking totally though.
Yeah, we want breakage, not crackage.
Well, it's really hard to because it's in a really weird area. So,
There goes the
Wait,
tape.
well, watch out, Tom. I have an idea.
okay. That's why as much as you can go.
Okay.
Oh.
That's good.
It's stuck. It's stuck.
We're not gonna just destroy. That didn't work. Oh man.
Oh man, that didn't work.
Now, if my parents actually come out here, we'll say that Justin brought the phone.
Yeah.
Because if they had it in storage, they're gonna kill me.